We've come to IKEA to get a media unit for our TV. What I was interested in was out of stock in all variations, so we didn't get anything. It is 2 days, well, more like 1.5 days until our move-in date, but we have come to our new place to grab the keys and bring a few bags of stuff to prepare for our move, and it's so nice. I can't wait. Can't wait. Officially moved in. I'm so excited, so absolutely exhausted. Yesterday was crazy. Our apartment is coming together, but it's still a chaotic mess. So the kitchen is pretty much functioning, which was the ideal goal. The living room is almost completely functioning. It's still a bit messy because we're building, or my boyfriend's building, a dresser in the living room. So there's dresser parts everywhere. But otherwise, like once that's cleared out, we will have a more or less functioning living room. There are a few furniture pieces we still want to get, but we wanted to wait till we were moved in before we purchased any of those things because we weren't too sure who we would fully need them or not. Like a media unit for the TV, that one we had to wait for moving in because we didn't know how our couch would fit into this apartment, and it doesn't fit the way that I want it to. So it's a little bit disappointing, but it works. Nonetheless, we figured out a way that it works. Flynn is so unsure of everything. He just walks around yelling all day because he's a little scared, but I'm really excited. So today is day 2 of being moved in. I need to just organize this room so that I can have a functioning office and access to my clothes again. So it's going to be another equally busy day. This is how our couch fits right now. I actually got a couch cover for it off of Amazon, a nice white textured one, because Flynn has been slowly ruining it. And I'm tired of the gray, but I don't think it would be able to cover all of the pillows, unfortunately. So the top pillows over there I think are still going to remain gray. I don't think it's possible for it to work like that. But yeah, the living room is going to be functional as soon as this dresser is out of there. And then Christmas tree. It's so nice though, because although we don't get sunsets anymore, we get sunrises, so the light still shines at a low level directly into the unit, but yeah. Better, but yeah, like I thought, because the pillows on the back of our couch are huge and fluffy that the cover would not work with them, but that's okay. I can just throw blankets over it. It really doesn't look that bad. One thing I'm pretty upset about, I don't know if you can see, but there's like this squiggle scuff right on the main part of the sofa cover, so I'm gonna have to try to buff that out, maybe with like a clean toothbrush, or I don't know. Kind of annoyed about that, but yeah, it fits. Otherwise it was a little bit awkward in some areas, like not this corner but these corners, because I could not for the life of me, like I searched for these sofa covers for probably a month on different websites, and none of them matched the exact style of our couch. So there's like these sectioned off parts. You can see here that little like loop for like the corners of most couch designs, but it doesn't really fit ours, but that's okay because the pillows cover it up anyway. It just looks so much better. And now when this Mr. Man climbs on the couch or has his zoomies, he's not going to destroy the original couch. In case you're wondering, I think it took me 30 to 40 minutes to put that together, just because like I wanted it to be secure, so I unscrewed all the feet of the couch and made sure that the cover was under, like between the foot of the couch and the actual couch itself, and then when I retightened the screws of the feet, it would secure the cover so it wouldn't pop off of the edges. So it took me a little bit longer to do that because I had to like lift the couch onto my legs to be able to do that, but otherwise it looks really, really good. I just got to get that scuff off. And also I think this couch cover was just under $100 or maybe even less on Amazon. I'll link it in the description box down below, but of course I did get it from the Canadian Amazon website. So today I'm going to try to reset up my curtains. So I'm going to be using wire, picture frame hanging wire, and scissors, and I'm going to connect it through the little holes in the curtains that we already have hanging, like the metal part of the curtains. It's the exact same thing that I did at our old place, only the thing that I'm a little bit concerned about, I feel like we have more window to cover, so I might not actually have enough curtains anymore to cover every single bit of window that we have here, but let's find out. Now, because this is the brightest window, I want to put at least 2 there, but like I guessed, I don't have enough fabric for this place. Making some soup that my boyfriend's mom made that she gave to us to take care for lunch. So we got quinoa mixed with a little bit of hummus, which is why it looks gross. I got seaweed snacks because I'm obsessed with these always. And then I have these croutons. They're like soup croutons. I don't know what culture they come from, but they're amazing. Chopped up on the soup because there are no carbs in it at all. That is it for the moving series, you guys. There really is nothing else left to do other than like get random furniture pieces that we still need, but that's going to take a while. Plus it's not really a priority thing. Like we have a little cart for the kitchen on the way, and then we need a media unit for our TV that we can actually have it on something, but we're holding off on that, but just because we've already like spent so much with this move that we need to just chill for a little bit. Moving is so expensive, you guys, but the good news is we finally have internet. My curtains are up. There's really not much that else to do, so thank you so much for joining me, you guys, on this moving vlog series. That is it. There is no more moving vlogs. This is it for this series. Moving forward, it's literally just going to be me in my day-to-day life, vlogging and sharing what I get up to while I live in Toronto, Ontario. Of course, keeping in mind we are in the middle of a pandemic, so there isn't really too much I can do considering Toronto is in lockdown until December 23rd at least. There is no guarantee that lockdown is going to end at that time, so I can't like just go to cafes, can't go eat at restaurants, can't go to stores and shop. They're all closed down. Like we are on a full lockdown here, so I'm sorry if you want to see Toronto, but I can't really show anything to you guys. Anyway, I'm still gonna try to figure out fun things to do because it's gonna be so much better now that we're back in the city. I have my friend Liz I can hang out with, I have walks I can go on and stuff, and just finishing the little nickety knacks of setting up here and like organizing things the way that I like and whatnot. So definitely stick around if you guys want to see that. I'll be uploading weekly vlogs as per usual, and of course check me out on my beauty channel. I upload a ton of skincare related stuff there every single week. I'm going to try to be aiming for 2 to 3 videos a week moving forward for December and January and into 2021. So a lot of skincare videos, fashion videos occasionally, makeup videos occasionally. What else do I do? And the occasional hair tutorial. So definitely head on over to my second channel and check that out. Catch me on my Instagram if you're not already following me there. I upload regularly and daily stories of what I'm getting up to if you want to stay tuned on the day to day. So definitely check that out, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.